Our Agytek is a JV company between DigiWing and GYMD. We provide a wide array of products including smart manufacturing, a smart warehouse, and third-party logistics, including the digital marketing. Product system including multiple modules like planning modules, and we have quality management, machine and data maintenance, and also including the multiple dashboard for the factory.
Please go digital Agytek. I encourage 100%. If have 200%, I encourage 200%. They also have a burden. They need to check one by one parts to record every detail of the parts, which is we only set for 5 minutes to complete all the information to the one sheet. They have an error. Number 2 becomes Z, I become L. That information will be reflect to their performance and hours traceability. Inform them why we do this. Good thing we get from the digitalization system. There is a learning curve which is very hard to teach them because the culture, their normal practice. This will impact our first term of implementation. Times by times, they will improve, show a good result with our productivity. Now it can be 1 or 2 minutes. Now we have a scanner, barcode, QR code, so easy to access the data. They know the pieces they assemble, take from another stage. Is it another stage is complete process or not? You have to guarantee. But with the MES, they just refer to the data. When they scan, OK means the process is OK. So easy to them to make the job done. This is one of our impact to improving our cycle time. Didn't expect we implement MES. It's good, go further, focus on traceability, which is the traceability is ensuring the quality. They want to see real-time result. At any time I can come, I can see the result. To ensure to the customer, we never violate whatever they said.
Management can easy to see the data, to monitoring all the production data. Our management can real-time to monitoring the operations. The system can help us to do the auto management quality, including the machine. After we have our system deployed at Songyuan, we have good system to help them to integrate with their ERP system. So after they got the order, our system can take over and control their line machine. All the production issue, our system can detect early, like we have an alarm system to their engineering to help them to quickly to solve the issue. And for the operators, they can see their hourly report and they can see the issue and the product performance at the real-time monitoring data. After we do all the integration, our system let our customer to know all the details for their operations, not just the automotive, for those metal, plastic injection, and the stamping, welding. I believe that our system can support our customer on those fields.
Traceability, which helped a lot, like 100% every piece.
Accuracy, which is we cannot buy with manual. In terms of productivity, which is we go about 30% improvement. Reduce our rejection about 15%. After use, we become our defect. If we not use, we can charge to the supplier. Then there is a 15% cost reduction on that.
Our rejection here, 1% per month, so it's actually quite little. We can convince our customer to invest more, gain their trust easily when they come here for visit.
Kami support the Agytek MES sebab dia banyak membantu kita in term of increase our productivity and efficiency, help in reducing our quality problem, quality downtime, improve for time loss.
Our system already linked to their mother company, support their normal operations. We help them to link to their ERP system. We help them to do the SCADA system with the machine. We also can cover their multiple factory. After our system implement, their whole system, they have unified the platform. All the data, we have the same platform. They are very satisfied with our system. At this moment, for both Songyuan and Agytek, we will be the partner for digital transformation.
all the management want to go for the digital, but there is a barrier, which is because the culture, because the method already familiar, then they scared to go further. Advice is very simple, don't scared, just go. The technology will be go further, we will be behind if we don't go the digitalization. Information we get is more efficient and more accurate. That is more important for the business and company. From 1 to 10, with the current process we have, of course I give around 10. I need what information I will get from the Agytek system. I get Agytek technology, AI system. The focus is more further than beyond my expectation. We will together with Agytek or the system current we have, MES. Of course, we're looking forward to go WMS. We will looking for what technology that Agytek have, which is we can implement with our manufacturing. At the same time, we hope Agytek can be our consultant, which is they can advise and at the same time give a good service after sales. This is more important, which is we can see the capability of Agytek to fulfill what's our needs.
I believe that for Songyuan or other customer, we just do the digital transformation just has the beginning, never have an end. I believe that for Songyuan, we will provide our continuous service and good product. We have a lot of experience in the automotive industry, and not just for this industry. So I believe that our Agytek, we can, based on those experience and share those experience and our product technology to do the local service for Malaysia. We help our local customer do faster growth and to get benefit from the digital transformation.